Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Charlotte, and I am happy to be sharing with you journal kit number 1, which is January's. There are 3 of these kits. They are listed in my Etsy shop. The link is below. Limited. When 3 are gone, they are gone, and we will be on to February's kit. Each of these kits has over 50 pieces, and so my opinion is the value is there, and I hope that you will see that. So let's start. I'm going to start, I think, first with the journal. We are going to open this journal, and I'm going to walk you through this journal. I'm not going to walk you through the other two. The other two are very similar. This is an 8, I believe. It's a naked journal, which means it has no pockets. Yes, it's an 8 by 5. So you're going to see gorgeous, gorgeous pages in that. Look at that. I mean, you've got some coffee dyed paper. Like I said, the theme of January is floral. So everything in here should pertain to a flower theme. Look at, isn't that so beautiful? I came up with this idea. Here's some handmade paper, pretty, pretty. I came up with this idea because I was seeing comments from people that they're just getting into journaling and they don't really know what to do. And I thought, ooh, if I offer a journal, a monthly journal with a different theme, different ephemera, different supplies, by the end of the year, you pretty much should have most of what you need and should know what you're doing. Plus, you're going to have a library of journaling, because that's the idea. Each one of these journals comes to you with all the scraps of paper that I used so that your papers will match and your scraps will match the papers that I used, and you can use those then for your pockets, your ephemera, your tags, belly bands. I also am including 3 ruffles. These are made very random so that, and they can be cut off. You can use these where you want. Each one will have 3 ruffles. And then I'm sending matching fabric just like this so that you can create more ruffles. You can play around with the journal cover. You can make tip-ins. You can create pockets out of these and just have some fun. So you get that. Then you get 5 of the handmade roses, and then you get a yard of the vines. So you could easily decorate the front of your journal with these flowers. What you don't use in January, you might use in your journal in February, March, April, or however many journal kits you wish to purchase. And then, of course, you get a bag. You get tickets. I believe there are a dozen tickets. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes, you receive a dozen tickets. So that's what I mean about what you don't use in this journal, maybe use in another journal. So you get a dozen tickets. You get 3 of the wooden white tags. And then you get photo corners, 2 pages of photo corners, a page of hole reinforcers, because I understand that there are those that maybe they don't have crocodiles, maybe you don't have a hole punch, or I mean eyelets that you are going to need reinforcers. 2 seed envelopes. You've seen me use these in the past if you follow me. Lots and lots of fun with these to decorate. Here is one package of the long scraps. Great for belly bands, pockets, tucks. Then you've got, here is the larger set. So, I mean, you've got a decent amount of paper right there. Then a library envelope and a card. Then some background papers, some papers to help you maybe with your tags, decorate your pages, and they all have the floral theme. A tag pattern. So I did this with thin cardstock or chipboard, very thin. It's very pliable. If you don't want your tag to be this size, obviously you can cut the bottom off, but I thought for those of you that are new, you may really enjoy having a pattern to create tags with. And then you have a glycine bag here that is filled with more ephemera. So we've got some sticker tickets here that are in the floral design. You've got some echo papers here that I thought are fantastic for background. You've got one of my tags that I'm pretty sure we did this online, but it has the floral button. It's got lace, and I thought it would be perfect. It's got another floral button on the back that it would be perfect to go with this. You've got a large copper alligator clip. You've got 2 pink mini alligator clips. And then you have a, I don't know what they call this, but I love this style of a clip. And last but not least, you get a brand new Yoo-hoo stick. I have no idea what these retail, but I think for the price, this is a pretty good box, guys. So you'll have to let me know what you think of this in the comments below. I was going to wait until the first of the month to put these on, but I think I'm going to go ahead and stick them in my shop. So go have a look. If you have any questions, please let me know. And hope you enjoy this idea. I will be showing February's box towards the end of the month, probably around my birthday. I hope you enjoy this. It is a great start to a new year, a new journal, and I think everything goes really, really well together. And yeah, let me know what you think. Have a great Sunday. I will see you Monday. Big hugs, everyone. Bye.